Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever stopped to think about what makes your computer, your phone, or your tablet actually do anything? You can have the most powerful hardware in the world, but without software, it's just a really expensive paperweight. Today, we're diving deep into the world of computer software, breaking down what it is, the different types, and why it's the magic that brings our digital world to life. So, what exactly is software? In the simplest terms, software is a set of instructions, data, or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. It's the intangible part of your computer, the stuff you can't physically touch. Think of it like this. Your computer's hardware is the body, the brain, the muscles, the bones. The software is the mind, the thoughts, the knowledge, and the skills that tell the body what to do. Without the mind, the body is useless. Software can be broadly divided into three main categories: system software, application software, and programming software. Let's start with the big one, system software. This is the foundational layer that manages the computer hardware and provides a platform for other software to run. It's the stage manager working tirelessly behind the scenes so the main actors can perform. The most important type of system software is the operating system, or OS. You use an OS every single day. Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS. These are all operating systems. The OS is the chief executive of your computer. It manages all the hardware resources, like the CPU, memory, and storage. It handles input from your keyboard and mouse, and it sends output to your screen and speakers. It also manages files and folders, and it's responsible for security, making sure different programs don't interfere with each other. Essentially, the operating system is the bridge between you and the computer hardware, giving you a user-friendly way to interact with a very complex machine. Another key part of system software is utility software. These are programs designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. Think of them as the maintenance crew for your digital house. Your antivirus program, that's utility software, protecting you from malware. Disk cleanup tools that free up space. Utility software, file compression tools like WinRAR or 7-zip. You guessed it, utility software. They aren't essential for the computer to run, but they make it run better, faster, and more securely. Now, let's move on to the second major category, which is probably what you think of when you hear the word software. This is application software, often just called apps. These are the programs designed to perform specific tasks for the user. If the operating system is the stage manager, application software are the stars of the show. They're the reason you use your computer in the first place. Application software is an incredibly broad category. It includes word processors like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, which we use for writing documents. It includes spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, which are amazing for organizing data and performing calculations. Your web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edges, a piece of application software that lets you access the entire internet. And it doesn't stop there. Think about the software you use for fun. Video games, from massive titles like Fortnite to simple mobile games, are all application software. Media players like VLC or Spotify that you use to watch movies and listen to music fall into this category. Photo editing software like Adobe Photoshop, video editing software like Premiere Pro, and communication tools like Slack, Zoom, or Discord are all examples of application software designed for a specific purpose. They are the tools that allow us to be productive, creative, and entertained. Finally, we have our third category, programming software. This one is a bit more meta. Programming software is software that is used to create other software. It provides programmers with the tools they need to write, test, and debug the code that becomes the system and application software we use every day. Think of these as the workshops and toolkits used by digital craftsmen to build everything else. The most fundamental tool here is a text editor or an integrated development environment. An IDE, an IDE like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, is a super-powered text editor that includes a compiler or interpreter. A compiler or interpreter is a special program that takes the human-readable code written by a programmer and translates it into machine codes, the ones and zeros that the computer's processor can actually understand and execute. These environments also include debuggers, which are essential tools that help programmers find and fix errors or bugs in their code. Without programming software, we wouldn't have any new software at all. It's the foundation of all digital innovation. So let's do a quick recap. We have system software, like your Windows or Mac OS operating system, that manages the hardware. We have application software, like your web browser or your favorite game, that performs specific tasks for you. And we have programming software, like a code editor, that's used to create all the other software. All these different types of software work together in a layered system. At the very bottom, you have the hardware. On top of that sits the system software, managing the hardware. And on the very top is the application software, which you interact with directly. When you click an icon to open a program, you're telling the application software to start. The application then communicates with the operating system, requesting resources like memory and CPU time. The operating system orchestrates these resources, communicates with the hardware, and makes everything happen smoothly. It's a beautifully complex dance of digital instructions. Understanding this distinction is super helpful. When your computer is acting slow, is it a problem with an application, or is it a deeper issue with the operating system or a utility? Knowing the difference can help you troubleshoot problems more effectively. The world of software is constantly evolving. New applications are developed every day. Operating systems get updated with new features and security patches, and the tools used to create software become more powerful and accessible. It's a dynamic and exciting field that has fundamentally changed the way we live, work, and play. So the next time you boot up your computer, open a web browser, or play a game, take a moment to appreciate the incredible layers of software working in perfect harmony just beneath the surface. It's the invisible architecture of our modern world. I hope this breakdown was helpful and gave you a clearer picture of what computer software is all about. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into a specific type of software, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next tech deep dive. Until next time, stay curious.